freaks me out, and it just is shedding so much that I'm like freaking out.
So it's causing more stress?
Probably, yeah. I was just like the other day, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's not stopping. My husband's like, stop. I'm like, but it won't stop,
Yeah.
And so I've just worn the headbands the last couple weeks because that does cover that.
Mm-hmm.
But he was just saying, he's like, back here, it's
starting to get
yeah. And like I was at my daughter's and I tried to wear a baseball hat and he's like, it looks bad. Like you can see it all. There's so many bald spots that a buzz is probably not just practical to wear it as the hairstyle.
And I'll kind of just explain the basics real quick. So we have, Chat was telling you, we've got wigs and toppers. Those are kind of the main two solutions. With where it's thinning kind of on you, where it's the perimeter, I think wigs are the best.
Okay, that's what I assume too. I know.
And then it could also be helpful for you if you want to choose to just take off the hair and then you don't see all these long hairs that are shedding. That might be more...
I think I'm like, because I asked, again, Chat, my new friend, but I'm like, can I shave my head? And they're like, yeah, that doesn't affect hair follicles or growth. And I realize it's the shedding that's starting to freak me out even. So is that going to affect the measurement if I do buzz this off? Like, no, I don't have enough hair to really make a difference. Okay.
No, it's really, like, I do people, they have a whole head of hair.
Okay.
So I'm going to keep it there. Okay. And then if it feels too tight, just let me know and we can kind of adjust the next ones differently. And I'll just have you hold these triangles here with your thumbs and just bring that to your temples above your ears. Pull it back over for you.
Oh.
I know it feels like a lot.
Like I still have hair.
I think that's fine though.
Okay, I like this. This is cute. This is a maybe.
Okay. And this is wefted all over, so it's very breathable. Okay. But you can't put really a part in it. I like it. It's kind of sassy.
That is who I am, but maybe I'll start.
Already.
I know. I might become a rock and roll. That doesn't bug me too bad. Like that stays off my forehead.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe I'm. Oh look! What does that describe me as?
Annie. Is that a good one?
Yeah, let's take a picture of that one.
And you can, because it's good practice. If you want to try and put it on yourself. Ooh.
That is a Joan Jett. Should I go for that? Oh, that touches my hair already. See, that touches me.
Touches your neck.
Yeah. Okay, that was fun. Yeah, that's way too much hair though.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it in a ponytail every day.
If it was smoothed down a bit.
Yeah, does that stay up? Like what if that goes down? That would bug me.
We also have hairspray and things like that. There it is. Exciting.
Let's take the net off. I was like, okay, that's
It looks
scary.
It's not blonde.
Good. I mean, no, we can't be rude. We like blonde people. Okay, okay. Now I just did all the gross hair there.
Oh, it's fine.
It's like there we go. Let's do that.
Here, and I'll take the tag off later. So you know the process.
Right, we got pretty good at this, so
Super
see if
cute.
we like it with the dark hair. There we go. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Guess we can just do all that.
That color is great.
Way better than.
You've been styling your hair right all these years.
I guess so. I just want to be that realistic. Okay, that's great.
They make them really realistic.
Yeah,
these days.
we're gonna start poking in little Grace hair. It looks real. Okay,
I'll just steam that.
let's
off
just
a
do
little
that
bit.
a little piece over. I think.
And we can try more pomade in it as well.
It's okay. Yes, but I am gonna buy that. I'm like, I think it just makes me feel
Looking
like
online.
it just makes me feel like
One less thing to worry
yeah,
about.
like okay, if I have my pomade, I can do my little spikes or pretend I have hair.